Essential prime implicants. So first of all, you should know what is implicants. The group of ones is called an implicants. Okay, this will come under K-map. So while simplification process, it is possible to find essential prime implicants and prime implicants. So essential prime implicants is the one, without that I cannot write the expression. Definitely that terms should be available in the final expression. That terms we call it as essential prime implicants. Remaining group of ones we'll call it as implicants. The largest group of one I'll call it as prime implicant. Okay, in that largest group of one, some of the prime implicants I cannot avoid for writing the final expression. That I call it as essential prime implicants. Okay, so there is one easy way to find the essential prime implicants. At least there should be single one which cannot be combined in any other way. Okay, consider a group. Okay, if I group a number of ones, I'll call it as prime implicants. Okay, so I'll be checking all the groups. Okay, in each group I'll be checking all the ones. If there is at least one which cannot be combined in any other mean, I can consider that particular group as essential. Okay, I'll call it as essential prime implicant. So I'll take one example for that. So before that, I'll write what is it, prime implicant. Essential prime implicant is at least there is single one which cannot be combined by any other way. Consider this K-map. So we have ABC 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, so our K-map we already mapped one. I need to group it now. I can group these two ones, this two one separately and this two one separately. So we have three groups in it. So there will be three prime implicants. I am considering largest possible group of ones. We know prime implicant is largest possible group of one. Okay, so all the three are prime implicants. In that, which one is essential and which one is not essential, that is what I need to find out. Okay, what is essential prime implicant? At least there should be one in a group which cannot be combined in any other way. So I'll start from this group. We have two ones. So this one can be combined in another way like this. But this one cannot be combined in any other way. So I am going to put a star mark. I'll call this as essential. So this particular group is essential. At least one if you have which cannot be combined in any other way, I can consider it as essential. Okay. So go to the next group. In that we have this one. This can be combined in this way and this way. There are two ways. So we can no need to consider this one and another one. So this one can be already combined with this one and this one can be combined with this one also. So there is another possibility. So this is also not essential. So this group is not essential. So So I'll go to the next group. In this next group we have two ones. One can be combined in two ways, so I'll leave that. So there is another one which can be combined in only one way. There is no other possibility. So I'll put a star mark here. So this one can be combined only with this one. Is there any other possibility for grouping this one with another one? No, it is not possible. So this is also an essential prime implicant. So this is having star and this is having star. These two are essential prime implicants. Okay, so first one, second one and third one. So first one is essential prime implicant. Second one is not essential prime implicant. Third one is essential prime implicant. So this is a way to find the essential prime implicant. Okay, we'll take one example for this. So consider, simplify the following Boolean function and find essential prime implicant and find essential prime implicant. So function of a b c d equal to summation m of 2 3 5 7 10 11 13 14 and 15. Okay, so this is a question. So we need to do the normal procedure. We need to find the simplified expression by using 4 variable K-map, because the number of variables involved is 4. I have drawn the K-map. So in that I need to group it first to find the prime implicant. To find the prime implicant, I need to go for largest possible group of ones. Okay, so this is 4 variables, so I'll try to group 16 ones in a group. So we don't have 16 ones available. Next I will be trying for 8 ones in a group. 8 one is also not available. Next I'll try for 4 ones. So 8 one means 8 adjacent ones. Okay, next I'll try for 4 adjacent ones. So I can see this 4 adjacent ones, so I'm grouping it. Okay, and I have 1 1 1 1. So I can group this 2 ones along with this 2 ones. So this is first group, second group, and we have one more one which is left out. This also has to be grouped. Okay, so always I'll try for maximum number of ones in a group. So don't simply group the single one separately or group it with the next one. So I need to check the maximum possibility. Whatever may be the one which is left out, I need to check for 16 one in a group is possible along with this one or not. If it is not possible, try for 8 one in a group. If it is not possible, try for 4 one in a group. There is 4 adjacent ones, so the grouping for 4 adjacent one is possible. So I am grouping like this. So this is the third one. Okay, so for the first one, what is the term we got? So among those two, we can have B because A is changing, so I can ignore A. I can have B. So among those two, C is changing, so I can ignore C. I can have D. So we have BD. Next, third one, 4 ones, it involves these 2 rows. In this 2 rows, B is changing, so I can have A. In this 2 columns, D is changing, I can have C equal to The second one, it involves the first row and last row. In the first row and last row, A is changing and B is in the form of B prime, and last two columns are involved in this group. So I'll be checking these two columns. I have D is changing, so I can have C. So B prime C. These are all the three terms I'm going to get. I need to find out which one is essential among this. If I need to find which one is essential, I need to check each and every one in a group. Okay, at least there should be one which cannot be combined in any other way. So I'll check this first group first. So this one can be combined with this one. This one is already combined in two ways, and this one cannot be combined in any other way. Okay, so I can at least one if you have, I can decide this is essential. No need to check the remaining ones. At least one is available which cannot be combined in any other way. Consider it as essential. So go to the group 2. In the group 2, this one is already combined in two ways. This one is also already combined in two ways. This one can be combined with this one. And what about this one? This one cannot be combined in any other way. Okay, this one cannot be combined in any other way. Okay, because it is in a group. Okay, so you should not group it within the group. Okay, I need to group it with another group. Okay, I need to try to group this one with another group. This one cannot be grouped in with any other one which is present in another group. So the second grouping is also essential. So initially I consider this is essential prime implicant, and this is also essential prime implicant. And what about the third one? This one is already combined in two ways, so leave it. This one is also already combined in two ways. This one is also already combined in two ways. And what about this one? This one cannot be combined in any other way. So put a star mark and consider this group as essential prime implicant. Consider this group as essential prime implicant. So all the three are essential prime implicants. It will not be the case for all the problem. Okay, at least few of them may be combined in any other way, so we can have two or more solution. Okay, we can have two or more solution. In this case, this is the only solution possible because all the three are essential.